Hi, Riley. Are you wanting to wish Daddy a happy Father's Day?
Yes.
What do you want to say to Daddy?
I like to make you oatmeal when you want oatmeal. Anytime you can have some.
Oh, that's really sweet. Can you tell me what you love most about Daddy?
Yes, what I love most about Daddy is that he loves me so much. And every morning we get to say good morning to him if he's not on a work mission.
Oh, that's really nice. Do you want to tell Daddy what your favorite thing to do with him is?
Yes.
What do you love to do with Daddy?
Play games.
Play what, sweetie?
Play games.
Play games. Do you want to tell us what you wish for Daddy this year?
I wish that Daddy would be a real golf player.
A real golf player?
Mm-hmm.
What does it mean to be a real golf player?
To play golf at a real golf team.
Okay, that's a nice wish for Daddy.
How do you make a ding now?
All right, I'll show you. Hang on.